Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Alright, and good morning every one of you. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to make a cucumber and mango shake. I haven't tried this before, but I want to give a try. Let's try together, right? But it must be really good, because yesterday I made cucumber and green leaves with yogurt, and that was really good. So this time, today I'm going to make a mango and cucumber shake. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we just have to cut this first because I don't want to put that so big in the blender. And I like shake and breakfast because it's not heavy in your tummy. And believe me, I lost weight for this. You just drink shake or smoothie and breakfast. It helps you really lose weight. Not much yet. I'm really having trouble to lose weight because of my medication. Makes me fat, makes me gain weight. I'm not that really fat, but I mean, I have to lose weight because I have a different problem that need to control it. I have to control my weight that way I don't have to suffer too much pain. Some of them, they remove the skin, but me, no, I don't want to. That one has a lot of fiber under the skin. You just wash it properly. So I put 3 yogurt this time, but I don't have another strawberry. This is all I have left. So I just have 1 peach and 2 strawberries yogurt. It doesn't really matter what kind of flavor you want to put it. You can also use flavor or unflavored, like plain only. But you need to add sugar if you want it, because a little sugar. Oops. It's falling out there. Alright everyone, this is my cucumber and mango shake. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokie, see ya. God bless you all.